Hey guys, welcome to Baldwin House Hobbies. Thanks for watching this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to Baldwin House Hobbies. We got the de Havilland Venom out here, 90 millimeter from Freewing. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing up in the air. I've flown it a couple times. I did my maiden here, but I've been flying it at Soggy Bottom lately, so it's nice to get back out here. So let's go ahead and get this one going. All right, here we go, taking off. All right, here we go, coming by, nice and low. And up. I love flying this thing, man. All right. See if we can get a nice slow pass here. All right, coming around. Got about third throttle on this thing. She flies nice and slow. She's a little bouncy with that wind today, but other than that, flaps up, come back around. All right, we're gonna try to get that high speed pass coming through here with a little bit of vertical. See if we can cut it up right in the middle. She's got some good vertical on her. That is a 90 millimeter 12 blade fan in this one. I'm running a 6200 milliamp 6S battery with a 50C in it, so keeping that weight in there today. We're gonna go up. She's got good vertical, flip it around, turn it off, come back. We're gonna come straight back down the runway. All right, let's go ahead and get that gear check pass. Give it a little bit of flap. We'll get that gear check pass coming through here. Make sure we see all three. All right, we got all three gear. We're gonna come in for that landing. Full flaps. Now these are split flaps, so it's I like those a little bit better than the standard flaps. All right, here we go, coming around. Good landing. I love that. That was awesome. Thanks for watching that one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.